Welcome to the Logo Design Mastery course, and I'm so glad you decided to join me for this deep dive into all aspects of logo design. I want you to take this course at your own pace. This course is created for both beginner and intermediate level students. I wanted everyone to start with the logo design theory section, no matter what your skill level is, as it's critical in building a foundation in solid logo design. If you've already taken the logo design theory lessons on Skillshare, feel free to skip those lessons. For those students who'd like to review all of the Adobe Illustrator tools we'll be using throughout the class, you can hop right into the first Adobe Illustrator Tools section. If you're already comfortable with the tools, feel free to skip a lesson or two in this section. If you feel that you're already an intermediate level Adobe Illustrator user and already feel comfortable with all the tools in this section, feel free to skip to the next section of the course. We will then walk through two complete logo design processes. The first one will follow through the creation of a coffeehouse logo. Take these lessons at your own pace and the pace that you feel most comfortable with. Once again, I created this section to be a little bit slower in pace so that those in the beginner level can see the entire process, including how I work with the tools in Illustrator. The next section will get into creating our golden ratio-based logo design. This one will be a bit more detailed, working with typography and color, and also crafting a final logo presentation. And lastly, we'll work on creating all the files and formats we'll need to have a complete logo package to send to clients or to have for your portfolio. The next section focuses on Photoshop mockups and how to present your logos in a professional and polished manner. The section toward the end of the course will focus on the Finding Client sheet, where I go over the 5-step process of getting your portfolio ready and landing some of those first few clients. This can apply to all aspects of finding graphic design freelance work and not just logo design. There are two things about the resources in this class that you need to be aware of. The first resource, which is called the Resource Guide, has a link to helpful external resources and websites. You can find this and all the other resources referenced in the course by going to the project section of this course and finding the downloadable files. Also, don't forget to join the exclusive student Facebook page. We hold design contests, give feedback to projects you post. It's just an overall warm and welcoming place for all designers to come together and talk about freelancing and design. And you can find it by searching for Learn Design, Go Freelance in the Facebook group search bar. If you choose not to use Facebook, I would still love to see your student projects for the Coffee Guild and the Pacific Calm logos in the course. You could post those in the Q&A section of this class. I want to make this a 5-star class for you, so please let me know if there's anything you would like to see added to the course. I want to keep this course dynamic with new content added frequently. So you're ready to dive deep into logo design theory? Let's get started.